It's a very difficult pill to take, but as all of us are aware that today as we stand, the PDP doesn't have a concrete team that can mobilize and go out for an election. So those who are willing to stay behind, I believe they have other alternative. They have alternative. PDP is not in a very good form that will produce candidates, that will float candidates in the forthcoming election. So those who are willing to grow in their political career, I don't think there's any reason for them to remain in the party. So that is the decision we have taken. We are not saying PDP infusing into other party, coming out strongly to claim the glory they have lost. So I think we have taken the right decision by pulling out for PDP to continue to make that impact in the life of those that are giving us the mandate. It's only when we align with the center that things reasonable will come to the Niger Delta region. As we speak, the regional interest is there. The governor of Akwa Ibom State is an APC man. The governor of Cross River is APC. The governor of Delta is APC. The governor of Edo State is an APC man. So for us to work the interests of the region, we need to work together. And I think His Excellency taking that position is not out of greed. It's not selfish, but it's for the purpose of the Joe people and the stake of the nation in Nigeria.